After days of introspection in an ancient abandoned temple, Einar comes to the profound realization that true strength lies not in vengeance, but in unity and forgiveness. As the winter wind howls through the moss-covered ruins, his determination transforms. He returns to Leif's camp, not with the spirit of an avenger, but as a mediator ready to heal old wounds. His arrival is unexpected, and as he walks through the camp, his former enemies watch him warily, but Leif greets him with a mix of surprise and evident relief on his face. Together, Einar and Leif convene an assembly with the leaders of all involved clans, proposing a plan to strengthen their bonds and face external threats as a unified force. Einar's proposal to share resources and knowledge, and to defend each other against common enemies, resonates among the warriors weary of internal strife. In a powerful demonstration of solidarity, the rival clans accept the pact, marking the beginning of a new era of cooperation and brotherhood. Under a sky promising brighter dawns, Einar and Leif, now allies and brothers once again, look to the future with renewed hope, knowing they have together changed the course of their destiny.